Hi everyone. So welcome to the recorded sessions by Adifor Shore on Basic Excel. So in this entire module, we are going to cover all the basics of Excel. I would say one thing that whenever uh, you know, I'm explaining anything, you just pay attention to the terminology. That is very, very important because later when once you are done with the basic Excel and you start learning advanced and intermediate level, and you search something on Google, then you need to understand what this particular section is called, the various functionality of Excel. If you do not know the name, what a tab is, what a ribbon is, what a title is, you won't be able to understand whatever Google answers to you. So in this first session, I will take you through the uh, Excel interface and understand it carefully. So when we open any Excel sheet, we get this kind of screen. So this section, auto save, this section. This is called quick access toolbar, this one. Here we can see the name of the file. In case you have not saved it yet, you will see sheet 1 or workbook 1, right? Once we click on new, it says book 1. So if you have not saved it, like I have not saved this new sheet, it says book 1. So this is the name. Great. Go back. This is called title bar because this is the title of the sheet. These three options, this is to minimize and maximize the ribbon. Now, what is a ribbon? So this entire above section is ribbon. These files, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, help, power pivot, these are tabs. These are called tabs. This is part of ribbon only. When we keep a cursor on any cell, and the cursor is here, for example, A1. So this is column, this is row. So what is the name of this cell? Column name and row number. So A1. What is the name of this cell? B1. When we come here, it's A2. When we have a cursor here, control here, it is called active cell, or we also call it cursor insertion point. Here you can see multiple sheets, interface, induction with basics, worksheets. These are sheets. This entire sheet is called workbook. Here you can see zoom button. When we click on it, it zooms the screen. This one. This plus will add a new sheet like it did. Sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4. We can right click and delete. We can right click and delete. We can right click and delete. This is how it works. Go back to interface. Bring it here. This is the scroller, right? This below plus minus, if you can see, these are the zoom options like this. Plus and minus are there. These are the view buttons, how you want to see this document. This is normal. This is page layout. The third one is page break, like this. So when we click on normal, it will come like this. These are the basics of interface. You should know all these before we move ahead. So read this session carefully, watch this session carefully, then move ahead with rest of the sessions and try to learn things step by step.